colors with every season, and we learn from these beautiful colors the life. Always we learn what is the meaning of the life, what is the real meaning of the life. It's nature which tells us the reality of life. Canvas always put the best things. It teaches us the way we explore the things. We explore the unexplored. It is nature everywhere, which is best teacher, which teaches us how to look at the things, how to look at the joyous things. So let's fall in love with nature's beauty. Always yearn everybody to see the beauty that lies beneath. The soothing rains have the deep intimacy with the nature. They are bathing the nature with their beauty. The nature always yearns us to explore the best. Between the machine and the nature can be seen. In every scratch lies the nature. In every droplet lies the nature. Always I found the legacy in nature and mechanics. Nature which made me the fan. It's the nature which always told us to explore more and more. I tried my way to explore the things, and I fell in love with nature and its